beginning riders first and foremost, we at Kuryakyn know the importance of making the most of your riding experience. For nearly 3 decades, Kuryakyn has been an industry leader in the evolution of aftermarket motorcycle accessories. Ideas born from minds that realize motorcycle isn't simply a means of transportation, but rather a representation of a person's very identity. At Kuryakyn, we ride, we get it. From the open road to the open sky, this bag will meet the demands of your everyday life. Today we're unpacking the XKursion XW Arsenal bag from Kuryakyn. XKursion is our premium line of luggage that leads the market in design and features. Streamlined, organized, and innovative, this luggage was built for the long haul. The XW Arsenal is not a roll bag, it's a roller bag, meaning it's a large main piece of luggage that can either attach to your bike or be used as a carry-on. This bag also features a telescopic handle and wheels for easy transport once you arrive at your destination. Like all XKursion bags, this too has thermoform construction and components for strength, security, and shape retention. It's made with a UV-rated and weather-resistant 1680 denier textile material and has rubberized, glove-friendly, weather-resistant zippers that provide a no-hassle solution to accessing your cargo quickly. Another great feature are these welded D-rings that provide strength and durability. Rider safety is always a concern, so we've added reflective accents around the outside of the bag so you'll be seen in low-light situations. Open the zipper on the outer flap to discover mobile office-ready padded pockets that can hold laptops up to 15 inches or to provide security for your tablet. This bag also features a wraparound zipper for easy access to the top or bottom of the bag without having to unpack it. Once inside, you'll see there is plenty of room to accommodate all your necessities for your next adventure with its premium, easy-to-see lined interior with multiple pockets and compartments. Take a look at the adjustable shelf and packing cubes for personalized interior organization options to suit your travel needs. For those smaller items, you'll notice several easy-access stash pockets with a rear window for easy identification. The XKursion XW Arsenal bag measures in at 14 inches wide by 9 inches deep by 22 inches high and has 2,772 total cubic inches of space to work with. Did we mention it comes with a sissy bar strap and mounting strap kit? Notice the low-profile wheels and rubberized feet on the bottom of the bag. Installation is fairly easy, and we do include hook and loop straps to help you temporarily get this bag in place where you want it, and then use the included mounting straps to securely mount your bag. If you would like to learn more about this product or other products like it, please visit our website at kuryakyn.com or give us a call at 866-277-9598, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable customer service members will be happy to help you find the right part for your motorcycle. Kuryakyn, innovation that keeps us miles ahead.